All right, guys. So when you're talking about fruit trees, some people rather plant their fruit trees in container in case they want to move the container or they might move from where they live in. But the thing about it is, man, fruit trees need root. They need rooms. You see, so these little containers we just put the fruit tree into, it's just so much they can produce. You know what I'm saying? Yes, this might be expensive. It might be $40, okay? But at the same time, this could house a fruit trees for a period of time. You see what I'm saying? This have a lot of rooms. Look down inside here. It's a lot of rooms down inside here. You see what I'm saying? You also have these, but these kind of flighty, so you ain't want to mess with them. You want to invest in the thicker one. Now you have them with the wheels that you can pull. Say for instance, you're growing the food outdoors. And when the winter comes, you want to take it in the wheels. If you could look for investing them with the wheels, it's a way easier for you. So you pull the plant inside instead of you have to lift it up. Look at this one as well. These are the containers you need to invest into to put in fruit trees. It's garbage container, and no, you know, it's containers. We don't. But at the end of the day, for fruit trees, I think it's wise to invest in big containers, especially the ones with wheels that you can just pull it in. You see what I'm saying? You have this one. Some of them have a cart, a wheel, a round wheel that you put underneath it and fit it in, and then you just pull it in. Because with these things, you don't want to. So yes, guys, this is the right size. It doesn't matter what kind of container you're using. These are the size that works better for fruit trees. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you guys. Peace, love, and bless you.